Tour from the entrance of Adventure Island to Caribbean Corkscrew, an oldie but a goodie. We're just gonna follow our lead. We're gonna walk this way. We're gonna go down the stairs, take a left. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit so you don't get bored. Just follow our lead. And just keep straight over the bridge. I'm gonna go towards Colossal Bridge, and then we're gonna swoop around and take a left. Just twist around each other. It's actually 2 slides, so we're gonna take you on that. We're gonna go over the bridge. I believe that's how you get to it. And get down there. In there, so we got a real situation. Really? This is great. So we got a situation here. Got stuck in there. We'll see what happened. Supposedly got stuck in there. Got a real situation. He got stuck in there.
Our bumps need to lock in.
I don't know what's going on with that. You're not going to stuck in. He was big. Maybe something's in there.
Huh? Yeah, somebody stuck. They had to test ride it. That ambassador got stuck in there. So. I'm came from our 15. We're eating double bun now. Alright, thank you.
This might be the end of Caribbean Corkscrew. We'll see what happens.
It's just because somebody got stuck because of like material, whatever.
But how did he get stuck?
It was probably because of the shirts. And
He had his shirt on, but he had shoes.
No, that's the shoes because we put them on your chest and everything, but it's just unfortunately we have to like close it down for right now until we're for sure going to be secured.